Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn your photo into a Mona Lisa style painting using Dream Face. It's super easy, totally free, and you only need few minutes. So let's get started. First, if you don't already have Dream Face, just go ahead and download it from the Play Store. And once installed, just open the app and log in with your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface will give you a free weekly credit package so you can generate a limited number of photos or animations every day completely free. Now that you are logged in from the homepage like this, just tap on AI filter and then this is where you can transform your picture with different artistic styles and effects and then just scroll down until you find stylistic paintings. This one, stylistic painting sections, and then just search for Mona Lisa filter. This one, just tap on it. Next, just upload or select the photo that you want to transform. I recommend a clear portrait photo where your face is visible because it will work best. And when you're done selected the photo, just tap on animate. And okay, like this, in just a few moments, your photo will be transformed into a Mona Lisa style artwork like this. And okay, that's it. Your photo is now a Mona Lisa masterpiece with dream face, and it's all for free. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.